G'day folks, got another Khukuri review. This is from Frank Gonzalez from Knives by Hands in USA. Now it's a box opening. This is, like, I couldn't help but get one because this was designed by Alan Kay, a guy, survival expert and trainer, and he was the first winner of the Alone Season 1, and he used a Condor heavy-duty Khukuri. That's what he loves, and it worked for him. Now he designed this. It's called an Expedition Khukuri. So let's, this is a box opening, so let's see how it goes. Let's see what they've got, and I'm very excited, but the postage was very expensive, but yeah, you get that. But anyway, read that later. It's well wrapped as usual. Foam on the outside, paper on the inside, stopping any corrosion and whatnot. A lot of plastic. Wow. And there it is, ladies and gentlemen. The DAP sheath is beautifully made. The fit and finish of it is excellent. It's a traditionalist, a craftsman who makes that separately, and it fits well. Look, some of the Khukuris, the fitting is tight. It won't rattle, and they tip them upside down. No, it's not going to fall. But I find them hard to draw in the field. But I prefer them like this. Thing fits beautifully, and that's what I prefer, because you want to draw it quickly, get it out, use it, and then put it away. A lot of Glad wrap and a lot of oil, so it ain't gonna rust at all. It is beautifully made, beautifully built. It's 5160. It has an 11-inch blade. It has a distal taper. I like this fuller here. Looks very good. This fuller here. It's very sharp. Now, with Alan Kay's design, it is a full tang, as you can see. And it has this beautiful, like, opal, like, what is it, blue? What do you think, Dave? Like purple or?
Yeah, purple, blue.
Yeah, it's a beautiful micarta with these bolts. Now it has this notch here. It's not the traditional cho, like the just a notch, and that is to hold it like this and then carve with us. So we got that here. I'll just get the rag out to wipe off the huge amount of oil on this, but and I'll put lanolin after I finish this, because that's what I prefer. But yeah, we'll just get the oil off of it. And look, for knives in hand, this is the first I have, but fit and finish is excellent. Look at the beautiful pattern of the with that thing that is on the end of the tang. It's bloody beautiful, isn't it? And let's see how this works. I'll just put this away. Now, to hold that there, see how it cuts this. Using the recurve, better control. Anyway, it feels good when it's when you're holding it like that. And yes, let's get some seatbelt tape, a classic cut. First the recurve, cuts through it easily, then the belly, oh, cuts through it like a laser. I got some sisal rope here, little chop test. I love the profile. It's like an Angola, and convex edge with a, yeah, classic grind. Let's see how she chops. That's a beautiful job there. Anyway, again, the DAP sheath, lovely fittings, fitting excellently, and look at this, like in and out, very quickly, easy draw. That's what I want. And always hold the back of it, never the front, because the blade could pierce that and cut your fingers. So out she comes. I'll leave that there. Let's go, folks. On to the next one. Lovely bike that. Ladies and gentlemen, that's my bike. Don't use it much, but learning how to. Firstly, we'll go over here and do some classic chopping and splitting. I love the weight. The handle is as close to perfect as you can get. Yeah, I'm glad I bought it. Base price was excellent. It's just the postage on this one sucked. Like, if you're in the USA, postage is for free, but postage here, it was $100. So, but anyway, I'm proud of having it. So here we've got classic ice block. Ooh, big motherfucker. So here we go. Not a mark on it, no rolls, no chips. It's fun cutting these blocks. Here we've got a classic piece of wood, Australian timber. And a classic batten. Look at that, mate. I mean, I could imagine this back in the Jurassic stage. Anyway, right, look, so let's see how she battens. Yeah, about here, that'll do. It's a good timber for it. Performance excellent so far. No rolls. I love the grind line. It is a convex grind line, if you can see that. Cutting edge is dead straight there. The Khukuri, the fit and finish, man, it's excellent. Has a satin finish. Yeah, beautifully made. Let's go over here to do some cutting. Oh. Another milk bottle. I'll try to do a double. This is like two opponents. I'm like, come on, you fuckers. All right, we've got a hardwood post here. This is a classic test on everything, and this will test the edge geometry, the tempering, and the quenching. I'm going to have to look into that to see if it's how it's tempered. I'm sure it's modern, and I'm sure they do an excellent job. Let's see how she holds. See the timber stain on the sweet spot there. There is not a roll, there's no chipping. It held its edge. Let's go over some bamboo cutting. I'll do a couple of different grades here. I'll use this green stuff first. Normal cut. Cuts well, bites deep, holds its edge. Now we'll have this, a seasoned piece. It's a lot harder obviously, but it's still bamboo. I like the green stuff. Wow, cut my thumb. Anyway, no notching, no rolling. I've got some classic piece of, it's seasoned now. Was cut like 3-4 weeks ago. It's perfect, like wrist thick for shelter building. Let's see how she chops through this thing. Cuts well, feels good. Edge performance is excellent. It's a lot harder to cut through that because it's dry. It's not green anymore, but we're doing very well. I love the thing and I'm glad I bought one. Thanks, Frank. Now we've got here a couple of, this is just an archery target. No idea what it's made from, but this groove here on the handle, this handle fits perfectly. With me, it's perfect, but in thrusting, if that has to be done, this ridge or between your fingers, it's supposed to stop you from sliding forward. Okay, there's a lot of grip with the Makata, and that's supposed to stop, but when I thrust, hold it like that, so there's no chance of running your fingers down that blade, which will do a hell of a lot of damage. So we'll just do some thrusting here. And there it is. Does a beautiful job. The tip is robust. It's, if you can see that there, it's not too thin or too flimsy. So this is going to piss you off, but I'm going to try the door. Only one stab. It's just designed, the test is designed to, see how the temperament of the steel of the edge. I'm only going to do it once. I don't want to break it. It's mine. I love it. But we'll see what it can do. Didn't penetrate, didn't bend or break the edge. Anyway, this particular Khukuri, it's beautifully designed by Alan Kay, the Expedition Khukuri, and thank you, Frank. It's beautiful. I love it. See you on the next one.